Hi and welcome to today's vlog. I'm Steve the bartender and today I'm showing you how to make a blackjack. So for those of you who have been watching the vlog for a while, you would have seen the Mr. Black Amaro sitting on the shelf back here somewhere. It's been there for quite some time. Huge shout out and a thank you to the team from Mr. Black for sending me the bottles. I have used Mr. Black liqueur in quite a few cocktails, but I'm yet to utilize the Amaro. I've just been building anticipation by leaving it there on the shelf. So I'm going to get straight into mixing the drink. So this one is a brandy based cocktail, so 40 ml, 1 1/3 ounce, I believe. I'm just going to build it straight into the glass. The recipe did actually say to shake it, but this one, I believe the ingredients lend itself to a stirred drink, so that's how I'm going to do it today. 10 ml of Cherry Liqueur. This is cherry herring. 10 ml, 1/3 of an ounce of Mr. Black Amaro. And last ingredient is 30 ml or 1 ounce of Cold Brew coffee. This is not a cold brew. This is a nice long black. It's what I could get today, what I could get a hold of. It still has a nice rich flavor, so it is going to work well in this. So I'm going to fill the glass with ice and stir for about 30 seconds. Now the Mr. Black Amaro, on the nose, it's got this really rich, like freshly roasted coffee. I believe it's got cassia, coriander, citrus. What else does that have? Angelica, macadamia. Macadamia is going to add some oiliness, some mouthfeel to it. And then I'm going to finish that off. It's got citrus in the Amaro, so orange and coffee go really nicely together. Can't seem to find my peeler, so I'm just going to slice off a peel, get rid of the excess pith, and give it a twist. And there you have a blackjack. Cheers. That is delicious. The cherry is actually very subtle. You just get a lot of coffee in this, which is a good thing. It's like freshly roasted coffee, like a fresh espresso that you've been poured. I almost feel like that this is such a good liqueur, such a good Amaro by itself, and I'd love to just drink that on ice. So I almost feel like I'm ruining the liqueur, but this is quite tasty. I wouldn't stir it for very long at all and let it evolve in the glass. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon for another cocktail video. Cheers.